Ganun talaga pag nai-inlove ang tao, lahat palingin niya maganda.
In love ka, ma'am?
Hindi, kayo.
Kami in love.
Alam ka naman, ako. Hindi pa kayo sa akin.
Totoo.
May request ang online classmate niyong si John. Basta si John. Si John. Apelido niya John.
Jan.
John. Ang request niya, can this be love? Ito po.
Kaya po yan ni Bimbi.
Ikaw hindi mo kaya?
Hindi ko po kaya.
Eh, si John.
Si ano
For
pa
Bimbi.
Si Jehon.
John. Kayo naman, sir.
Oh, kaya naman pala.
Kanta
John
niya,
ang pangalan. John ang apelido.
Sobrang kilig.
Sobra naman
ako sa
niya.
kanya.
Sobra.
John, yung sobra, oh yan, sobra. Wow.
Coming from you.
Coming from me! Si Bimbi daw kakanta.
I will
Pero
sing.
kantahin mo raw para kay Riza Me.
Yes!
So, ibig sabihin, Jack ka lang.
Apo, dito lang po.
Well, teacher, who else will I sing it for?
Sa bagay.
Ay, grabe to.
Sa bagay. Isang head throw muna para big hair.
Wow!
Ma'am, kayo
Teacher,
naman.
may motivation na ako.
Ikaw naman din.
Isa pa.
Ikaw din, ma'am.
kayo din
Head
po.
roll din. Patalikod po. Sige na, ma'am. Sige na, ma'am.
Sige na, can this be love? Check ka lang para may inspiration.
Palakpakan na, Ricardo.
Ayun! Ano ba?
Wala ka nang gawin, hawi ka lang hawi ng bulok.
Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I know for certain I'm relieved right now. I don't recall ever feeling this way. Tell me, what does one say? The one who makes me feel this way. Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I am not sure of this feeling somehow. Why do I tremble whenever you're near? I can't seem to say my words, so you'll hear. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. This is the first time I ever felt so helpless inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'll tell you once again. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you.
I love you.
This is the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside.
So helpless.
If I had to say 1,000 times, I'll tell you once again. This is the first time. This is the first time. This is the first time I'm gonna say. Mga Dapper Cats, nakalimutan ko yung lyric. What is it? I love you.
Wasa manalo!
Ano ba yun?
Sino
naman
tumulak?
Layo na yun na.
Sino yung
Sobrang
tumulak dyan?
tulak nun, oh.
Sobra naman yung tulak na yun.
Nga dito.
Grabe.